Welcome to Swadish from Priya. Today we will make quick snacks recipe from bread and paneer. We will make bread paneer roll in a different way, in a unique way. So let's start cooking. To make bread paneer roll, we need paneer, grated carrot, finely chopped onion, chopped capsicum, butter, bread, pepper, salt. So first, to make the paneer ready, we will mix onion, capsicum, carrot into the paneer. I have taken one medium size onion, half of capsicum or a one small capsicum and one carrot. So the quantity of vegetable is as per your choice. If you want more vegetables, you can add more vegetables, or you can keep it balanced also, so that taste will be evenly of paneer and vegetables. So now we will mix this. Let's put pepper also in this. Pepper and salt is as per taste. We will mix this properly. Now we have mixed it like this. Salt and pepper is as per taste. Now we will start making rolls. For making rolls, we have to take bread. We have to cut the brown sides of the bread. I have already cut it, and now we have to flatten it. We have to flatten this bread nicely from the sides and everywhere like this. So we will flatten 2-3 pieces. Now on this we will put this batter. We will make this kind of long shape from this paneer and put it in this. And we will cover this like this, and we will put this butter. Nicely we will put this butter. It's a no deep fry recipe, and we will close both the ends from this. Do it little carefully, and this is ready. So we will brush it with butter, and we have to make 6 pieces ready so that we can bake it in microwave. This is how we have to make it. Now we will keep it on an oven tray and we will bake it. Before putting into the oven, we will preheat the oven for 10 minutes at convection mode, and then we will put this into the oven. Now I have already preheated the oven. Now we have to put this into the inside tray. Temperature has to be in. First we will put convection mode. 15 minutes. We'll put inside. See, it will look like this. We have baked it for 15 minutes in convection mode at 180 degree. Now it is ready to serve. We can plate it. So this is our, let's put some sauce. So this is our bread paneer toast, or you can call it bread paneer patties also, because it looks like patties. So this is yummy bread paneer patties is ready. So this was the recipe of bread paneer toast और bread paneer patties. अगर आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगी है तो डू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें, कमेंट करें. थैंक यू.